this context that we have now come to terms with these jurisdictions, Island of Jersey, United States of America, and indeed Nigeria, by way of negotiating for the repatriation of a sizable assets. As it is, we have concluded on an understanding that the sum of $321 million will be repatriated in due course. And the government has indeed given commitment that the proceeds of the looted assets upon recovery should be applied to Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, Abuja to Kano Road, and Second Niger Bridge.
It's purely a software solution, and then what people refer to as e-ticketing. That will eliminate touting, ticket racketeering, corruption, and all that.
So they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.